Before we connect our visual code to the virtual environment, first of all, make sure that the 3 required extensions has been installed to your WSL system as shown on the screen. If they haven't been installed, install them first, then you will need to reload visual code. After that, to check whether the visual code has been connected to the virtual environment, you can open any random Python file. In this example, I will open main.py file. You might wonder why you need to connect visual code to the virtual environment instead of using base Python. Let me demonstrate the issue. Let's say I want to import Talib library on main.py. If I add the import line on top of the file, visual code will throw error saying Talib hasn't been installed, which is wrong. This is where you need the virtual environment connection. Let's go connect visual code to the virtual environment. Go to the right end of your bottom bar. It will show Python. Next to it, it will either show the Python version you have installed in your computer, or it will say select interpreter if you haven't installed Python on your computer. Either way, you don't need to download and install Python on your computer. Click it, choose enter interpreter path, choose find, browse to the main fractrade folder, then go to .venv folder, the go to bin folder, then choose the Python version. On my example, I'm using Python 3.10, so I click on it. You will notice that the status of Python interpreter used is correctly connected to the virtual environment. You will also notice that the error on import Talib line has disappeared. You are ready to start the fractrade journey. On the next video, I will show you how to create a config file.